Hello everyone, Uncle J here. Today Uncle J brought 3 very interesting but confusing characters for you to tell and enjoy. But don't worry, Uncle J will walk you through these characters one by one. I'm sure at the end of this video, you will master all of them. The first character is Tu, T-U, third tone. Follow me, Tu. What does it mean? Can you stare at this character and guess what it means? If you don't, Uncle J can give you this picture as a clue. What do you see in this picture? We see grass, we see plants, we see land, but the meaning of this character actually it means earth, land, or soil. Are you right for guessing them? But how can this be related? Well, at the very beginning, the world is all in one, and God separated heaven and earth. And then God created plants and human. And this earth, this soil, is the very foundation for everything to grow up. So at the beginning, we have this horizontal stroke to stand for land. And then we plant a seed. The seed will grow up as the main body of a plant, as we see in this picture, and then branches and leaves will grow on the main body. So this is the original image of Earth. You know that Chinese prefer boxy shape and straight strokes. So later, the character evolved to be like this. The branches became like a horizontal stroke. The main body is a vertical stroke, and the land is a horizontal stroke. 3 strokes is this character. Tu. This Tu is also a radical. It means land or earth. If you see another new character that contains this radical, it probably has similar meanings. For example, in this phrase, 土地, the character on the right side is D-I, 4th tone. You see, the left part is the radical Tu. So this is probably related with earth, land, or soil. So D means land, Tu means soil. Soil land is land. So look at this picture. Everything in this picture is land. So 土地 means land. Or you can imagine Uncle J take an airplane, fly on the sky, and then I look down from the window. Wow, everything I see on the land, on the earth, that's called 土地. 土地 or 大地, big land. 土地. Do you remember this character? The second one is Gan, G-A-N, Gan, first tone. You can follow me, first tone. Is Gan. What does this mean? What do you see in this character? Well, I see 2 horizontal strokes. What's that? Oh, if you watch Uncle J's number series, you know that this means R, means number 2. But the philosophy of this number 2 means heaven and earth. Watch this video. What do you see in this video? You see heaven, you see cloud, you see sky, you see earth, you see forests, you see rain, you see a lot of things. But this character is related with none of the things Uncle J just described. Look at this picture. It's a simple scratch of what you saw in the video. You see sky, you see rains, you see land, forest, and when the rains drop down, the rain can be absorbed by the land and become underground water. So this is a character. We have heaven first, and then we have rain to fall down from the heaven to the earth. And then the earth will absorb the water and keep going. The water will drop, will be absorbed to underground water. So we connect the rain to be a vertical stroke. This is its character. It means dry. Yes, the earth will absorb the rain from the sky and then keep going down to be underground water, and the earth will become dry. So this character means dry. The right order to write this character is from the top to the bottom. Write horizontal strokes first, then vertical strokes. 1, 2, 3. It means dry. Actually, in Chinese, a lot of characters, there are polyphones. A polyphone means one character has multiple pronunciations, and each pronunciation stands for a totally different meaning. For example, this gun can be pronounced as gun, same spelling but 4th tone. It means it's gun. Gun. Gun is an adjective. It means dry. But gun is the fourth tone is a verb. It means work or do something. So the phrase is 干活. Or in Uncle Jay's Northern Chinese accent, I like putting a sound at the end of every phrase. I call it 干活. 干活. 干活 literally means work. A very generic, broad meaning of work. Look at this picture. A lot of people are putting seeds into the water, trying to plant something. That's 干活. Or you can see in this video, a lot of people working in the office, sort of like the white collar work, sitting in front of the computer, type or programming. That's also called 干活. It's a kind of work. Or you can see farmers trying to plant things, trying to grow things to feed us, harvest them and feed us. That's also another kind of work. It can be called 干活. Or Uncle Jay maybe have some free time and just get a mower and mow the yard. That's also called 干活, as long as you think you are working. 干活 it is. We have learned 干 means dry, 干活 can mean work. However, this new character, 千, do you see the difference between 千 and 干on the left? Well, they look really similar, but you look at this one again and really carefully, you will see that the top stroke is actually different. 干, which means dry, the top stroke is horizontal, but for 千, it's tilted a little bit. It's actually a left falling. 千 means thousand. If you watch Uncle Jay's former videos in number series, 千 means thousand. In the ancient Chinese society, they didn't have money like modern time, use paper stand for money. They actually used shells. One shell is $1, two shells $2. If they have a couple dollars, they would just simply put them in their pocket. But if they have $1,000, how do they carry them? They didn't have a bank. So normally, they just grab a piece of string and connect all the shells together and tied up the string on their waist or lower back and carry them no matter where they go. That's $1,000. So we can draw a human, head, arm, main body, and then tighten up the 1,000 shells on their waist. That's the very beginning of this character. Later on, character evolved to be boxy shape and straight strokes. Head and arm became left falling. The $1,000 is a horizontal stroke, and then their main body is a vertical stroke. This is 千 is 1,000. So now do you tell these three characters? We can review a little bit. The first one, TW third tone, 土 means soil, land, or earth. The right order is from the top to the bottom, 3 strokes, 1, 2, 3. That's it. The second one is 干 G-A-N, first tone. It means dry, or it can be pronounced as 干 G-A-N, fourth tone. It means do or work. The right order to write it is from the top to the bottom, horizontal stroke first, then vertical stroke. 1, 2, 3. That's it. The third one is 千 Q-I-A-N, first tone. Means 1,000. 1, 2, 3. So the very top is left falling, not horizontal stroke. So do you remember these three characters? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to this channel so that you can be updated for our upcoming videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye bye.